you guys. So this is the kit that I have. It's Kiss Express colors. It was $8.99, and I got the color Cherry Cola. So it's like this light pink shade. This is the kit, like I said. So it was $8.99, and this is what comes with it. It has the cream developer, the color, of course, and the powder lightener to bleach your hair with. It comes with the tray, this little brush. I guess they want you to use this. This is not going to work for doing your hair, but, and I think this the what, the cover your hair. Yep. So I think it's really helpful that it came with a tray. So I'm just gonna read the directions because this is my first time using this. My sister actually used this, so she recommended it to me. So of course I'm dyeing my hair pink. I have my natural hair out right now, and I am doing my natural hair. So it says it should be on the instructions, of course. So of course we have the bleach first. So right now my hair is a light brown color, and it says the bleaching time is 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, yada yada. Okay. It says wear gloves, y'all. Wear gloves. But right now, I'm just gonna see how it go. If it get on my skin and it like irritates it, I will put on gloves. But gloves just make me uncomfortable to work with. So I'm not a professional, by the way. But it says pour powder into the tray. So that's this, the powder lightener. And I have my scissors here, so I can cut a straight line. And the good thing about it, I love kits that have like this. Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a purple tone. Because to me, purple helps to lighten your color better. So it says to, and by the way, make sure your hair is dry once you're doing this. My hair is dry and dirty, so. But it says pour powder into tray. So that's what we're doing here. We just poured the powder in. Then it says add cream developer, which is this, and this is 40, so that's good. Okay, can I open it? So I'm not gonna do a lot. I'm just gonna like do a little and then mix it. So it says now, so it says to mix with the little brush that it came with until it is thick and creamy. So that's what I'm doing. So I add a little bit more. Okay, so it's pretty thick right now, but it's not as creamy, so I'm gonna add the rest. Alright, so now I love the consistency. this is the right consistency that you want to have. And now it says apply the prepared lightener mixture away from the scalp. Okay. Okay, so here I reached the bleach out and applied the hair color. It's like this bright red color, not the color that I really wanted, but it's still fine. It's still some blonde spots, but that's okay. Sorry about the band-aid. The color your hair, you wanna get stuff specifically for. So guys, right now I'm applying the oil to my hair, mainly in my scalp and my edges, because that's where my hair first start breaking off at. So just making sure I get that oil in there. So here I just applied my scarf because I'm actually not going to sit under my hair dryer because I didn't feel like propping it up. It's one that's just have the head and not the head in the stand. So I use my scarf just to let it dry, air dry. And I usually just leave it like that for like an hour, hour and a half. And this is the finished look. Well, not really the finished look because my hair isn't all the way dry. I actually had somewhere to be real quick, so I was like, whatever. So I just kept it, you know, just a little down and stuff like that. Put on some makeup and called it a day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Any questions, let me know. Leave them down below in the comments.